Worried about inflation and then you think your 9 to 5 is an issue. No, your 9 to 5 is not an issue. Your lack of an extra source of income is the issue. In today's world, having an extra source of income is no longer luxury, is no longer something fun to do. It's actually a necessity. Hey there, my name is Lovelyn Onoha, and shortly I'm going to be sharing with you a system that you could leverage on and generate consistent, active and passive income, irrespective of your age, race or background. Let's get right into it. So, everybody that earns money in the world today, they fall under one of this category, and this strategy was developed by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the person that wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now, this explains that people on this side, this right side, earn 97% of the wealth of the society. This right side, they share 97% of the wealth of the society. They are 3%. 3% of people here, 3% of people share 97% of the wealth of the society. And guess what? On this side, you have 97% of people here sharing only 3% of the wealth of the society. So, as explained by Robert Kiyosaki, the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant explains every single person in the world today earning an income falls under one of these categories. It's either you're a business owner or an investor, which is the 3%, or you are self-employed or an employee, which is the 97%, the masses. Which category do you want to be on? So right now, I'll be sharing with you specifically different systems that you can leverage on and join the 3% that shares 97% of the wealth of the society. Let's go. So, this market averages $5.6 trillion on a daily basis. That's incredible. That's interesting, right? And when we talk about the financial market, it's all encompassing. You talk about forex, commodities, indices, crypto, stocks. All of these things make up the financial market. And precisely the forex market, this market averages $5.6 trillion. $5.6 trillion on a daily basis. Incredible. Now I'm going to be sharing with you systems that you can actually leverage on and start generating active income and passive income. So let's begin with active income. Right now you can start trading with the smartphone you currently have, and all you need to do is copy and paste. Copy trading. Let's take a look at this. Now, with the use of AI scanners, you get to have cutting-edge trading results and trading experience. Now, take a look at this. This is basically an AI scanner. I'm currently trading on XAUUSD gold, as you can see, right? And this AI scanner has literally analyzed the market, and you can see that the trend is bearish. Now, look underneath there, you see trending, consolidating, pulling back. So this AI scanner has done 80% of the heavy lifting for you by, number one, showing you the trend of the market. And then it doesn't just show you the trend of the market, it shows you when that trend is trending, if that trend is consolidating, if that trend is pulling back. So right now you can clearly see it's currently on the pulling back. It's blue, it's currently on pulling back. And now the pullback, it's quite weak. So this, as simple as this is an indicator that will show you anything at all you want to trade on. Trading is all about information. A lot of people stay on the chart for hours analyzing the market. You don't have to do that. If you can spend 6 hours, 7 hours looking at a single chart, why should you go through that stress when you can literally use an AI tool that would scan the market for high probability trades and tell you exactly the same thing you would have analyzed, give you the exact information in just seconds. So as you can see, the market showed us, the scanner showed us when it was trending, you could see consolidating, pulling back. Like right now that it was pulling back, you know, okay, this is what the market is doing, so I take this trade this way. It's that simple, really. So I explained the trend indicators and all that. Now you can clearly see this is a trade idea that the scanner also gave us. You can see your area of interest in validation zone, take profit. Boom, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Right now, you can clearly see we've hit TP1 on this trade. Why? Gold is bearish, consolidating, and it's neutral. So you can see we got this trade here, and boom, it already hit TP1, heading to TP2. And why did this happen? Also here, these are just indicators. Also here, you can see this yellow icon here. This yellow icon here shows you, it's called divergence. It shows you again when there is divergence in the market. Like earlier, we had a buy trade, right? Buy, the market was bullish, and now immediately this divergence showed up here, down here rather. Then you see that the market started selling, right? So it's that simple. So right now, we just looked at one of our AI scanners we have for active day trading. This AI scanner, like I said, would help you scan the market for high probability setups and help you so you can make an informed decision and get clear setups for your trades. Now I'm going to show you another AI scanner for active day trading, and if you're a newbie, this one is for you. Let's take a look at it. So this AI scanner, is just beautiful, guys. Can you see that? It gives you the exact trade to take. So on anything at all, this currently is on AUD CHF Forex. So you can see it's giving you, number one, the invalidation zone, which is your stop loss. It's giving you the entry point, which is your price, and it's giving you your take profit, exit point, exit 1, 2, 3. And currently this trade is at entry. Now, as a newbie, for someone who has never traded before, literally all they now need to do is copy and paste. They copy the invalidation zone, paste it on their trading account. They copy the entry point, paste it on their trading account. They copy the SL and take profit, paste it on their trading account, and you just watch the trade go. You don't have to analyze the market. Copy trading at its finest. You need to get your hands on this. Now we have this and many more on the active income portfolio. On the active income portfolio, ladies and gentlemen, you can get started with just $250. With only $250, you can make your payment now and get yourself registered. That payment covers the AI scanners that will scan the market for high probability setups, and most importantly, it covers Forex education. I tell people the best investment you can make is investment into yourself. If you grow, your money would naturally do what? Your money will naturally grow. So if you get started right now, as much as you can use all of these AI tools, it's fascinating. I'd like you to also pay attention to learning how the market works. So here we have an academy where you get to learn from expert traders all over the world. We have over 50 educators in the community that will take you by the hand and teach you everything you need to know about trading, from basic, intermediate, up to advanced level. And guys, as if that is not enough, we have our passive income systems. Let's explore that. The one for the big boys. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how do you achieve more with the same 24 hours? It's called multiplication. So we have our automated trading systems, where this system actually is completely automated. It trades for you morning to night. You can go about your daily activities and the system is trading for you actively. So we have the auto flow trader. The auto flow trader is sold for $400, and it gives you between 5 to 7% ROI monthly, meaning any amount of money you fund in your trading account, you're going to be getting 5 to 7% back every single month. This is a revolution. This is a story This is a movement whose time has come. Automation just makes your life better. And guess what? We have an even higher one, the Apex Trader. The Apex Trader is currently sold for $800, and the Apex Trader gives you 10 to 12% monthly return on investment on any amount of money you have in your trading account. It therefore means that if you have $10,000 in your trading account, the Apex Trader is giving you $1,000 to $1,200 monthly. You're not raising a finger to earn this money. The system analyzes the market, opens the trade, closes the trade, and you sit back and you relax and you enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to a season of abundance. 2026, we're on a mission, and our mission, our story, our message is simple, and that message is to empower thousands of families all over the world to experience a lifestyle of ease, a lifestyle of abundance. And how we aim on doing that is by educating people to become digital nomads. A digital nomad is someone that earns money online, and there are so many ways to go about that. So you can either go through the income route on the active income, the passive income, or you can decide to learn a skill. We also offer courses like data analytics, branding, and social media. These are short form courses you could go through to learn how you can become a digital nomad and actually not just learn, but practically start earning money online.